Notice the general term for both of them. How would you classify them? If they were functions, so that's that f of x is 2x plus 3 instead of 2k plus 3. How would you classify that function? Linear. So what type of sequences are these? Arithmetic. Good. Since we're finding partial sums of arithmetic sequences, we get to use these guys. Does it matter which one you use? No. Pick your fave. We'll do the first one together. If we're counting, we'll do them both together actually. If we're going from 1 to 20, how many numbers is that? 20. So what's our n here if we count from 1 to 20? 20. So let's use the first one. So this would be 20 over 2 times a sub 1 is the first term. Our I know what you're saying. Our k starts at 1. So if we plug 1 in for this k here, namely this one here, what would we get as our first term? 5. So that's a sub 1. Plus, this other number here would be a sub 20 if we use the first formula. So put in 20 in for k, and you get, 43. What is 20 over 2? What is 5 plus 43? What's 48 times 10? 480. Hooray! For part B, the hard part is figuring out the number of terms. Now, as a quick comment, notice it's not written linearly like we are usually used to. If you want to think of your term here as 1/5 k plus 4/5, that's fine. Your choice. You don't have to. But if anything, that shows that it's linear. It has the mx plus b format. So if you count from 5 to 100, how many numbers is that? 96, because that's that 100 minus 5 plus 1 ordeal that we had earlier. So 100 minus 5 plus 1 is 96. The first term of the sequence starts when k equals what? 5. So if you put 5 into that general term, let's use the one that we were given, k plus 4 over 5. What would you get? Plus a sub 96 is the 96th term of the sequence, which means k equals 100. Of course. Plug in 100 in for k, what do we get? Good. Now you could use the second formula if you wanted to. The common difference, d, would be the slopes. So for the second one, you would say 1/5. But I think the first one's much easier for this guy. 96 over 2, that's 48. I got that part. I have no clue what 9, so let's have over 5. 113 over 5, that doesn't, oh, that's not pretty. What is 48 times 113? 5424 over 5. Hooray!